Hi, welcome to the quick walkthrough video of your asset planner. So in this template, we have a lot of sections covered up over here. First of all, we have operational management section where you can see the asset details, the maintenance details, the financial details related to the asset, and the performance of the asset. Under the assets details, you can see that we have got asset ID, asset name, asset type, so on and so forth, which covers a lot of things as you can see, which is categorized over here. And after this, we have the maintenance section, which again covers the maintenance ID, asset ID, and everything related to the maintenance details. Then we have the financials, which shows the current value, the depreciation method, and depreciation rate. After this, we have the performance, which shows the asset performance as and when you are creating the asset. And if you scroll down to the bottom, we have the regulatory management section as well, which shows the compliance section, which is everything related to compliance. Then we have the documentation section. Here you can add all your relevant documents, whatever is required related to the asset. And then finally, we have the reviews which are related to the asset, where anyone can put their own reviews about the assets that are being used. This template is entirely customizable as per your requirements. You can customize this template to suit your requirements. If you need to customize this as per your requirement, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this further.